Reliance Industries is not just a company, it is India's largest private sector business empire. Understanding its fundamentals helps investors evaluate one of the most important long-term stocks in the Indian market. Let's begin with the company overview. Reliance Industries Limited operates across energy, telecom, retail, digital services, and new energy businesses. Over the last decade, the company has transformed from an oil refining giant into a consumer and technology-driven conglomerate led by Mukesh Ambani. Now let's break down the fundamentals. Revenue diversification is Reliance's biggest strength. In FY 2024-25, the company reported consolidated revenue of over 10.7 lakh rupees crore with steady profit growth, supported mainly by retail and digital businesses. Consumer-facing segments now contribute more than 50% of total EBITDA, reducing dependence on cyclical oil businesses. The business operates through four major segments. Oil to chemicals remains the largest revenue contributor, accounting for nearly half of total revenues, including refining and petrochemicals operations. Retail is India's largest organized retail network and continues expanding aggressively across grocery, fashion, and electronics. Digital services through Jio Platforms benefit from rising 5G adoption and growing subscriber engagement. Oil gas contributes smaller but stable earnings. Financially, Reliance maintains a relatively strong balance sheet. Net debt remains manageable with strong internal cash generation funding large capital expenditure and future growth projects. The company continues investing heavily in telecom expansion, retail scale-up, and renewable energy initiatives. Growth triggers going forward include Jio's 5G monetization, retail consumption growth in India, and long-term investments in green energy and hydrogen projects. However, risks remain. Oil to chemicals margins depend on global crude cycles, while retail margins can face short-term pressure during expansion phases. Recent earnings also showed slower retail growth impacting quarterly performance. In simple terms, Reliance Industries represents India's consumption, digital, and energy transition story combined, making it a core long-term stock closely watched by investors.